Welcome! Today I'm with Realme C11 2021 and I'll show you how to change the lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first, just go to the settings and here tap on the display. Right there you will see the wallpapers, tap on that and here tap it again, and now for example you can choose from these wallpapers or from your photos. Tap to allow. If you get some photos on your device you can select these photos. So for example I will go with this one, just tap on that, tap hello, and here we'll choose the lock screen. So you see that our wallpapers were successfully changed, and now we will check that. So yes, right, as you can see, it's done. If you like this video, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.